I welcome to this session. This is day number 11, which means we have already spent 10 sessions, very vibrant sessions, very valuable sessions in spoken English classes. So, spoken English is very important for us. In day to day life, we meet people, we have to talk over telephones, we need to interact with them. We may have to send some emails which is written English, but still having some knowledge, basic knowledge in making sentences automatically gives a kind of push. So that's helpful to make sentences, that's helpful to speak English, that's helpful to develop good relationships with people in the job, in the or else employment, in college, in school, which would automatically bring good, friends as well as name and fame. Today, housewives want to learn English language. Even after 20 years of their formal education, people try to seek English tutoring, English mentoring, because they have their own obligations. Age doesn't deter our, learning. It's always like a perennial river, the river which flows throughout the year, 365 days, and you don't have to feel sick of learning English language. Be always motivated, self motivated, and come forward. Let's welcome today's day 11. That's 11th session of a free spoken English class. We have friends from Odisha, friends from Tamil Nadu, friends from Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. They have a lot of interest. So, this is a pan India program, and we have great opportunity to interact with each other and one another. And in these hands on training models, we don't allow more than 10 students, but since it is a maiden effort, we have students ranging from number 3 to 7, 8. That's it. But max number would not cross just more than 10. It's going to be less than 10. So everyone, whoever seeks training or kind of guidance, would be having hands-on experience, and one-on-one sessions will help get rid of all stage fright issues, as well as they will develop good speaking abilities. With this being said, I just would like to initiate today's talk and class based on 11th day module. Let's take a look at that. In this particular module, the content is going to be a bit different. It's going to be user friendly. So all you have to do is you please pay attention towards making sentences and develop a range of vocabulary as well as making sentences. The biggest challenge for all the English speakers is making sentences accurately. Grammatical errors is one important area which always bothers people. Students get bothered and elders get bothered. But how can you overcome this problem? Now, let's activate speaking. It's our dynamic task every day in our sessions. Whenever we have speak about one, how many friends do you have? Two, appearance or character. What is more important? Three, how much time do you spend with your family? These are the three important questions. So you can be free to give your own opinions. Let me start with Ganesh sir. Sir, what to you?
I have many friends.
Sir, Ganesh, one thing, you please finish only one first question. Later, the same question will be, discussed and taken by the other students too. In the meanwhile, you can prepare your content, some points based on your understanding. Second one. So we will finish first question with all these participants. Okay, the others will have time then.
I have many friends in college days and continuing same from school days and college days, intermediate college days and degree college, and now also I have many friends. Even lesser age people also I'm interacting with in this through this software and all these things. I have good relations with everyone. I am I always I learn from whatever what from my friends, whichever they are having good quality. I will learn from them. It is always a learning process. Please follow all of them. It is give a good result in future.
Excellent, sir. All of you, please give claps, friends. Give claps. Otherwise, you can show your reactions. Through reactions is there, and please give your digital claps. Sir has spoken really well. Excellent, sir. Very, very excellent. And next person will be Charita.
Yes, sir. I have many friends. Now I am a student, so I have many friends from my childhood. From my childhood onwards, I have many friends. Mm, they always helpful in my difficulties. Even my parents also. My best friends. They show me nice path. That's it, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you very much, Amma. Thank you. Nihar, next.
Yes, sir.
Turn on video.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Don't shake the
Sir.
phone. Keep the device on the table. That will be clear with us.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have many friends. Always I will try to learn from them, and sorry, sir, I'm very poor in English.
Nihar, one suggestion. Please don't keep microphone very close to you. That headphones. Just leave it. Speak loudly. It can
Okay,
receive
sir.
your voice.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, Nihar. And next,
Okay.
Nomad.
Yes, sir. I have many friends in my childhood, and still our relation is going on. Now and then we met to marriage functions. We met there. We lot of fun. We plan to traveling. We enjoy a lot. That's it, sir.
Please make use of your time. This is the best time for you. Already 11th means you will have just 19 sessions. Do not lose this opportunity. Try to speak more. You will get
Yes.
more. Generate ideas. If you think at least in your mother tongue, you can connect the ideas. Grammar, no problem. I will correct the grammar.
Okay,
Only thing
sir.
is effortless speaking. Okay, have confidence. You can do that.
Yes, sir.
And prepare your synopsis or viewpoints for the next topic. I will share once again. All of you take a look at this. This topic is going to be this, and you can see this here. Appearance or character? What is more important? How much? This is the topic. So for 1 minute, otherwise at least 30 seconds will be okay. Appearance or character? What is more important? You understood this topic, didn't you? Yes. I'm going to stop it. Yes. Now, Vijay Kumar,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
turn on video.
Power was cut, sir. Power off, sir.
Please speak. You keep telling any different reasons for your videos. I understood. Go
Sir,
ahead.
really it was occurred, sir.
Type. Yeah, please speak, man.
Yes, sir. I have so many friends in different stages in childhood, from 5th to 10th classes, and now intermediate level. All friends are supported very well. We can discuss so many topics and share my feelings with there. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. You used your time very wisely. Now, Mishraji, good evening. Please take your role. Srikant Mishraji, are you present here? Okay, Vijay sir, Ganesh sir, over to you. Next topic. Character or appearance? Yeah.
Character is best than appearance, sir. character is the main thing, sir, because if we lose the character, we lose all the things. So always, whatever the situations we are faced, whatever the condition is there, but we have to maintain our character from the beginning to the end. Because major thing, when we acting anything, we are doing anything, or we are acting anything, main our character shows what we are. So I feel what I will see anybody, I don't see any other things. Only mainly on the character only. I will assess the person, any person, based on the character only. That's
Well,
why I'll give you most of. I will give you maximum importance to characters, sir. But appearance is not a main thing, sir. Appearance that is given by God. So I don't consider that God given. That is enough. Yeah, but character is within ours, sir. We can change it. We are not that much character, even though we can change with our friend circle or in the society. We'll see every day. We will see good people, and we'll learn from good people and good persons. We can learn it, sir. Because character is the main building, sir.
I have a question for you again.
Yes, sir.
How can we know? How can we know when we happen to meet people, strangers, let us say? How can we know
Yes.
that they have got good character? What are the features with which we can find?
We are speaking actual situation. If you speaking continuously lies, we cannot believe it. They will say something, some reality will be different. So maybe that is how we are doing good or bad, whatever it may be. Other person what he was saying. Suppose I am doing wrong. So my friend or my colleague or anybody saying Ganesh, you are saying you are doing wrong. I will give you importance to that person, because otherwise he goes.
Seems there is technical glitch from your end, sir.
I cannot change my life myself. Yes, so friends or anybody, but I don't like such people. Whatever it may be, in front of my face, they said, "Okay, you are doing wrong. This is the wrong. This is the right. So you are doing this. Don't do this." Who says that? I like that
Well,
such type of
you
people.
mean people among our friends should be constructive in criticism, isn't it? So when they give constructive criticism,
Yes,
they are the
yes,
nice people, correct people, where we can probably
Yes.
change our ways of doing things. So they are the correct people, right? Fantastic. Thank you.
Every day we will do so many things.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Next.
We
Uma
will
ma'am.
do everything every day. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So you have spoken very well, very well. Friends, please give claps for all the people. Keep giving claps,
Yes.
at least your reactions, digital claps. I'm going to do that now for Ganesh sir. I'm going to give. Yes, I have done my,
Thank you, sir.
part. So you have really spoken well. Participating
No,
interaction.
sir.
Next, Uma madam, what to you?
My point of view, character is very important role in our life. Character is good. All people like them, like you. Appearance is not important. You look beautiful. One person look beautiful. His character is bad. No use. No use. Always character is every person think positively. His character is always good.
So that's so touching and interesting, ma'am. So even though you can use this expression, even though one looks handsome, when you talk about men, even though one looks beautiful, if you want to refer to women, beautiful is the word used for women, handsome is the word used for men. Then you can connect this way. Even though one looks beautiful or handsome, it doesn't matter. You please use this. It doesn't matter. All we have to see is inner beauty, the heart, attitude, isn't it? That's what you said.
Yes.
How great it is. Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, Vijay Kumar.
Yes, sir. In my point of view, character is most important than appearance, because if you don't have a good character, we cannot get a success. Character, if you have a good character, all people likes you. And even though we have a bad appearance, like physically, but when we have a good character, all people likes, and it leads to success in our life. Thank
Vijay
you, sir.
Kumar, you are saying something very philosophical. I don't understand why one must hate, the bad character. What is there in it? Basically, how do you know that somebody is bad?
Like
But I have seen many people who watch particularly Fair and Lovely ads and various other programs. Even in one of the movies, hero applies Multan Matti and he applies buckets of Fair and Lovely because he thought the heroine has rejected him because of the beauty. See, people every day kilos of Fair and Lovely apply. But if you really think that appearance is not necessary, why should people go do this? And you are also very handsome. When you are in the college, you want to look good. Why? Why do you want to do that?
sir, mostly character is most important, sir, than appearance.
How can I know
But
that
also
someone's
appearance,
character is good? At least tell me. What is the evidence? Do you
But-
think there is a yellow color chip here, or red color chip here,
No.
or white color? Any kind of mark that this person has this one? Okay, he has good character. How do I know?
by the way of speaking and work done by the person, sir.
Thank you very much, Vijay. You have cleared my doubts. I have been bearing these doubts since my childhood. You are the only person who has cleared my doubts. Today, my day is fulfilled. Thank God. I am so much happy. Thank you with your analysis. Nihar, over to you. Please respond quickly. Nihar, are you there? Is not there. Charita?
I think character is very important than appearance. Without character, you can live in any place, and you can make many friends without good character. And we can also achieve our targets through our good character. The people who have good character can helpful in development of the country, sir. And I think external beauty can't decide the nature of the humans. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Fantastic, Charita. Next, Srikanth Mishra. Sir, over to you.
So, I think, sir, the answer of first question is I have 4 or 5 friends, and second question, appearance or character. I think, sir, both are important, but the more important is character, because of character we respect anybody, and actually everybody is beautiful, everybody is handsome. But it depends on our character, that if we see good to all others, then we feel that everybody is beautiful, because appearance is not made by the person, but character is somewhat depend on that person. Appearance is because of God. So if we should say anybody about his appearance, then we are not blaming him, we are blaming God. So we should think that everybody is beautiful, and if we see beauty in every person, human being also. And in ancient time, there is a quote that there are 30 crore gods and goddesses. So I think at that time everybody's character was so nice that they are like God. And the population at that time, I think 30 crore of whole world. So everybody is God, and I think everybody is God now also. Everybody has God in himself, and everybody is like a God. And how much time do you spend with your family, sir? I spend very much time with my family.
Thank you.
The time I got from my business or from my job, I spend with my family, with my son and daughter, my mother and father. And when there is a winter vacation or summer vacation of my big brother, who is a vice principal in Inter College, he came to Badaयूं, and then we spent a lot of time together. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's been very interesting, and you have said something more what we haven't expected. Thank you very much. Now you are going to be in the breakout rooms, friends. Get ready.
There is a discussions about works done in what are my responsible. That's about.
Yeah, I spend much time with my family, and I think family should get our time, because family is an important aspect of our life.
Common thing, and holidays and festival times I'll spend with my family. Yes.
So your speaking partner Nihar is quite. Nihar, please keep talking, and you can also give your opinion on the topic here. Don't waste time.
There is lot of although there is lot of gap, you manage with English, ma'am.
Yeah. I have a dream. I speak English fluently.
Yes, ma'am. Your dream became true, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. How to sentence formation?
Ma'am, I
How
think
to manage?
after this spoken English complete course, you got clarity, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. I read small stories.
We spent with our family, or there is another topic, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, how much time do you spend with your family?
Every day morning, morning I woke up at 5:30, 6 o'clock. From 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, I'll spend with my family, and then I'll complete my things. And usually 9 to 9:30, I'll go to industry. And after coming back at 5:30, 6 o'clock, 1 hour to 2 hours, I'll spend with my family, my children and my wife, what they are doing, how they are doing, what they are studying, everything. I will look at it, and yeah, I will give you guidance also every day.
Ma'am, memorable moment means Pongal, ma'am.
Okay.
All 5 families of my grandmother side, all 5 families get together and celebrated the festival, ma'am.
Okay.
So that is my memorable moment.
Okay. In the year, we go to Vijayawada, January Pongal. We spent in my daughter-in-law's house.
Yes.
We enjoy a lot. 2-3 families get together, party. Return to Ranipet. My daughter-in-law and my grandson.
Ma'am,
Come
can
with
you
me.
say how did you spend with your grandson? You
Speechless. He is very cute. Is now he పట్టుకొని అంటే
Okay, ma'am. Now leave.
Okay,
Leave
okay. Leave breakout room. We
Sir,
were-
we have discussed it.
We are talking
We
many
have
things.
discussed a lot.
We discussed many.
That's a nice
things.
thing. Personal interaction will bring more confidence.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
This kind of free talk helps a lot.
Yes.
Great job. So today, before I wind up, let me just discuss a few things, such as they're very helpful.
Yes, sir.
So this is a problem here. What is the problem in this sentence? We have to supply are here.
They are.
Are very
Yeah, very
helpful.
Okay.
So one of you has said this sentence. Similarly, we met marriage functions. We met marriage functions. The meaning is very clear. అంటే మేము పెళ్ళిళ్ళప్పుడు కలుస్తూ ఉంటామని. Here we meet if something happens usually. ఎప్పుడు జరిగే పని అయితే we meet అనాలి. met అంటే past tense. కలిసాము అని అర్థం అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ we meet. One word is during అని చెప్పి word. This is very important. We met during marriage functions. This is how you can possibly write your sentences. We meet
Sir,
during marriage
continuing.
functions. And you can also say we met, but during is necessary. This has not been used in this sentence. Clear? Next, we plan to traveling. We plan to traveling. So there is something that we need to supply here. Can you please tell me?
We are.
We are
We are
planning.
planning to travel.
We are
Planning.
planning to travel, not
Travel.
traveling. We are planning to travel this
Travel.
year or this month, next week.
Yes.
See, you can possibly say like that. And all friends are supported. Someone said,
Yes.
all friends are supported. Friends, listen to this. All friends are supported. What do you mean by this? You have friends, they support you. That's the actual sentence. So all my friends, you can say all my friends, because you are talking about yourself. All my friends support. You don't say are supported. It's passive voice. That's not very important here. All friends support me, simply. Here, all friends is subject. All my friends is subject. Support is verb. So in between, there should not be any be form. No is, no am, no are. And this should be purely V1 form. This is verb first form, support. But here it is or supported. This structure is not useful here. Please change it. And we are faced. Again, what do you face? See, you are facing some problems, or usually you face. Then you can say, we face some problems. Something like we face means problems. We face some problems. So are faced is wrong. What is the thing that we need to understand? Never use are after subject we or I or you. You have to use in continuous tenses like we are facing problems. But faced is not correct. This is passive voice structure and doesn't have any value here. Now it's 9 o'clock, 1 minute, bear with me. And can helpful, again, someone said can helpful. It doesn't have any value. What do you mean by can helpful? You can
Yes,
change
I-
it. Can be helpful.
Can be.
Similar to the first one. Someone can be helpful. My friends can be helpful. I can be helpful. You can keep any verb here before can, like this. Okay. Can be is important. Never use can helpful. I have a dream, I speak. I have a dream, I speak. So నాకు ఒక డ్రీమ్ ఉంది మాట్లాడాలి అనేటువంటి డ్రీమ్. సో హౌ వుడ్ యు సే దట్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్? ఐ విష్
I wish
I wish I could speak.
to speak my dream about my dream.
I wish I could speak. Let's say fluent English, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I wish I could speak fluent English. When you want to say wishes, you please. I wish I had a cup of coffee, for instance. I just would like to have. That's my feeling now. And you please say. And next, number 8. I woke up. So one of you described your daily activities this way. I woke up. See, you are talking about what do you do usually? Means your daily action. You just do it. Here the change is I woke up can be I wake up.
Wake up. Okay.
I wake up every morning
Okay.
at 4:30. That's my schedule, friends, actually. And then say
I
I
do
do all
that.
other activities later on. And beyond 4:30, it's difficult for me to stay on the couch. So, for instance, when you want to describe something that you do every day, I wake up or I get up. There is a slight difference between get up and wake up. People usually ask, what is the difference between wake up and get up? Wake up is something that you become conscious about the world that you are in. And you just come to know that you are there and you just open your eyes. Get up is you are already conscious and you just come out of your room and you just get off the couch. That's all, the bed. So this is the basic idea. But in informal context, to wake up, usually people use get up synonymously. Nothing to worry much, but get used to using either of the expressions. You will be fine. Okay. So this is the difference. I woke up is correct, but that's only one action. That means maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, maybe a week ago, only past action. But when you say wake up, which is
Reaction.
something that happens regularly, I wake up every morning. So we past action and present action and future action. 3 different actions we express usually. So you should be very clear which action you are expressing at the moment. And the next sentence, I will spend some time. See, this sentence also should come under present simple
Future.
context. That means present context. But you see, friends, will indicates future tense. Future means you are going to do it tomorrow, okay? Or maybe after some time. But what is your intention when you are talking? You spend time. So always keep verb first form. There should not be any will or can or any nothing. So I spend.
I spend.
What do you spend? Some time in praying God, maybe soon after, usually, people pray to the, earth saying that we are there and you are keeping all of us. Different belief systems are there. Or some people go to the God's room and see God's faces and photos, and people say prayers differently. They like the photos, or else people, whoever is there in their good, impressions, they go and see them. See, I will spend is correct. But when do you use I will spend for future activities?
Future.
Why should we have to switch to I spend? Because I spend refers to the action that happens usually. Okay, I spend my time regularly with my family members. These are the few issues, friends. I just wanted to let you know. And by correcting ourselves, you are speaking English. A few things you can easily overcome. That's not a big issue. And now we'll get back to the session, and I'm sure that we will do well in the next session. Before I speak the last words, I can ask you one thing. Since it is 11th session, and in the future sessions, I'd like to give you some audio clips also. Okay, you will have to listen to audio stories. So maybe after 15th session, you will get some clarity. So please keep listening to them. And tomorrow, a small task is you watch any one of the English channels. I'll give you the names: NDTV, New Delhi Television Channel. Any 5 or less than 5 minutes, at least you watch less than 5 minutes, or even more than that could be fine. But interest level is important. Or you can watch a CNN, direct CNN American channel, and otherwise BBC or Russian television channel, or any other English channel. Please listen to it. And what do you understand from them? Write down the words. This is your task, a small project.
Okay.
And tomorrow you have to
Sir.
present in the class. First, I will take your presentations. Later, we'll get into the task. Date
Okay,
12 will
sir.
be tomorrow's. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Sir,
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
all my friends,
Thank you.
you have been very patient. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great
Okay.
time.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good night, everybody. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good
Good night,
night to
sir.
all.
Good night.
Good night, Sharmaji.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.